Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am going to discuss 20 things that waste time during the day. Number 1, not planning your meals. Number 2, watching TV out of habit. Number 3, social media. Number 4, not having a visual to do list. Number 5, not planning in advance. Number 6, procrastinating. Number 7, not being organized. Number 8, overloading. Number 9, being tempted by distractions. Number 10, not blocking out chunks of time. Number 11, checking emails when you can't action them. Number 12, relationship that don't add value. Number 13, too much multitasking. Number 14, not being intentional. Number 15, too much clutter. Number 16, not batching errands and work. Number 17, not keeping an ongoing shopping list. Number 18, not doing an online weekly shop. Number 19, losing things. Number 20, prioritizing the wrong things. Let us discuss them one by one. Number 1 point is not planning your meals. If you don't plan your meals, then you will waste time in thinking what you are going to make, what you are going to do. And then things are not available at home and you are just going to buy them. So it takes time choosing what to eat and ensuring you have the right ingredients in the house. So plan your meal one day earlier. Number 2, watching TV out of habit. Do you watch TV because you can't think of anything else to do, or bored, or lose track of time? So don't waste time in watching TV. Just plan that you will watch 1 hour or 2 hour time, and then you will just close it up, and then you can do your any task, important task. Number 3, social media. Mindless scrolling can soon add up during the day. You can use social media for just 5 or 10 minutes just to get to know what is going on around. Not having a visual to do list. Don't rely on your memory. So make a to do list that what are you going to buy, what are you going to eat, and what are you going to do. And don't rely on your memory. And then 5, not planning in advance. If we don't plan in advance, what will happen that all the things were not in proper order. Avoid problems and don't forget appointments. So plan everything in advance, that in what way you are going to do it, and what time you are going to do it. Number 6, procrastinating. Don't put things off for another day. Get them done today and feel much better for ticking them off your list at last. So don't waste your time in procrastinating that you will do it after 1 hour or after 2 an hour. Just think and do. Number 7, not being organized. Stop running around like a headless chicken. Plan, prepare, and give yourself some wiggle room for emergencies. So don't be like that who is not organized. Be organized. You waste your time if you just don't keep the things organized, and then you waste time in finding out where the things are. Number 8, overloading your calendar and your to do list. You won't get it all done anyway. So you should not be overloaded. You should think that you can do one task at a time, and manage your time according to your task. Number 9, being tempted by distractions. Try to complete one task at a time and not get sidetracked. So don't try to do so many tasks at a time. Then you will be distracted. Number 10, not blocking out chunks of time and underestimating how long something will take. If you think that you are going to do something, for example, if you are going to just cook something, so you must know how much time it will take, and think accordingly and work accordingly. Number 11, checking emails when you can't action them. You can waste your time if you are not going to do anything about that email. So you should not check them, those emails, if you are not going to action, meaning you have to read them twice instead of just once. Number 12, relationships that don't add value. Those relationships which don't help us are meaningless. So only invest your time in friendships that are reciprocal and supportive to you both. So work on that work on that relationship and continue with that relationship which is double sided. And then number 13, too much multitasking, so you don't do any of it properly. So plan one task at a time and do it in time duration, in that duration which you have decided. Not being intentional and asking yourself why you are doing something. You should be intentional, that you should know what you are going to do and what are the purposes behind those tasks. Number 15, too much clutter, needing too much of your time to look after it. So keep your things small. For example, your cupboard should be very organized, and things you are having should be in use. If you are not using something, so give them away to anyone who need it. Number 916, not batching errands and work. So you have to make multiple trips or switch between different tasks, lose your place and your focus. So you should also batch your errands. So you should think that what you are going to do. Number 17, not keeping an ongoing shopping list. If you are going to do some shopping, so you should have list that what you are going to shop. You are going to shop some grocery or some clothes or some other things of home. So you should know what you are going to shop and you should have a list with it. So you forget what you need, waste time trying to remember, or have to go back to the shops again. So keep a list with you. Number 18, not doing an online weekly shop to save time on multiple trips to the shops. So weekly online shopping is also a good idea, so you will not waste your time in going. Number 19, losing things by not having organized systems in place to help you find things quickly. So keep your things organized. Number 20, prioritizing the wrong things. If you prioritize the wrong things, so you will get the wrong result. So if you want a good result, so plan your goals and work accordingly, and plan also which way you will take to get that thing done, because you have no clear purpose or goals. So prioritize the right things for you. So we have learned 20 things, about 20 things that waste time during the day. So we should avoid them, and we should avoid doing wrong things. We should also plan our day, and we shouldn't waste time in doing wrong things. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz.